Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to cover a very simple and very important interview question, how we can revert the commit in the Git using command prompt. So very important for the interviews, and it will be useful in your day-to-day automation as well. Okay, so there can be a situation where we first push some changes or we commit some changes into the GitHub repository. So due to some reason we need to revert those changes whatever we have pushed to that Git repository. Okay, so in that case we need to revert the changes. Okay. So first I will go and clone one of the project available in my GitHub repository. So let's try to clone this my app project first. Okay, so I will go to the location where I want to clone that project. I will open the command prompt from here. Okay, so we need to use git clone command first. Git clone, copy this URL and add in your command. So within few seconds it will clone whole project from Git repository to their local system. So if you go here, this my app project is available on my local machine now. So now if I go into the my app, so I will check the status first using git status. Now what I will do, we will do some changes in one of the file in this project, and then we will commit that changes to our GitHub repository. So I will open one of the file from this project. So I have added these two lines. So I will go to the command prompt. I need to commit these changes first. So these changes has to be the part of our staging area first. So let me use git add command, git add space dot. So git status. Okay, so one file is modified. This is the first test.java. Okay, so this file is in the staging area now. So we need to commit this file so that it will be a part of our local Git repository. So use git commit, then use some message, hit enter. Okay, so there are two insertions because I have added two lines in that Java file. So we need to commit this file. It is already committed. We need to push this file to our GitHub repository. So use git push command, git push origin master. Okay, so all the changes are pushed to our GitHub repository now. Okay, so here we got our commit updated first test Java. So you can check that file itself, or you can click on the commit message from here or from here. So you will find your commit ID also from here. This is your commit ID. Okay, and these are the two lines we have added. So now due to some issues or due to some problems, I need to revert these changes from my GitHub repository. Okay, that means I want to revert the commit whatever I have committed in my GitHub repository. So first I will check the, let me clear this. Okay, so if you check the git log, you will get the list of commits with the commit ID. So this is the latest one, commit 15b5, which is available on the UI as well, 15b5. Okay, so with the help of git log you will get all the history of the all the commits that is happen in this project in the GitHub. Okay, so we need to revert this commit. Okay, so how we can do that? I will use git revert space, we need to provide the commit ID. Okay, so if you give the first 5 letters, that is enough. So I will use 5 1 5 b 5 and 8. Okay, hit enter. So it will open your in the editor. So here you just need to provide some commit message which is already there, revert updated first .java. Okay, you can add any other commit message if you want. Okay, from git. Okay, so once you are done, just press escape, then colon, then q and exclamation mark and hit enter. Okay, so this will show you one file change and two deletions. So whatever two lines we have added in that as a part of that commit, all those two lines are deleted. Okay, so I will use git push now, so we need to push this change to our GitHub repository. Okay, otherwise it will not get reverted. So our commit is still there in the GitHub. Okay, so we need to remove these changes. So I will use, let's say, git status. Okay, so here also you will find that your branch is ahead of origin master by one commit. That means there is one commit available in your local git repository which is not part of your remote git repository. Okay, so in that case you need to use this git push command. Okay, so let's push that commit using git push origin master. Okay, so let's go to the project now. So here we got the new commit revert updated first test.java. So if you click on that commit message, you will find this is the change we have done. Okay, that means these two lines we have removed successfully from our GitHub repository. Okay, so let's try to reverse this commit as well. So its ID is this one. So you can get that ID from here, or you can use the git log command that I have already shown you. So let's try to use git revert again, so that those two lines will be added again in our GitHub repository file. So git revert, and I will provide this ID, hit enter. So again it will open the editor. So this time I will directly use the escape and colon q exclamation mark, hit enter. Okay, so git status. Okay, so your branch is ahead of origin master by one commit, so use git push origin master. So again those two lines should be added in our first test.java. So again refresh the page. So you got our revert updated first test.java. This is the commit. So you can click on that, or you can go and check the file itself. Okay, so again these two lines are added in our GitHub repository. Okay, so this is how you can revert the changes in the GitHub repository using the git revert command. So try these things on your own, guys. I hope this session will help you in the interviews as well. So let me know if you have any question on this. Thank you.